Vivekananda Group of Institution, Swami Vivekananda Medical College Hospital and Research Institute, Vivekananda Dental College for Women, Swami Vivekananda Naturopathy and Yoga Medical College, Swami Vivekananda College of Pharmacy, Vivekananda Pharmacy College for Women, Vivekananda College of Nursing, Vivekananda Nursing College for Women, Swami Vivekananda Physiotherapy College, Swami Vivekananda Allied Health Science, Vivekananda Institute of Health Science and Research, Vivekananda College of Engineering for Women, Vivekananda College of Technology for Women, Vivekananda Institute of Information and Management Studies, Vivekananda College of Arts and Science for Women, Vivekananda College for Women, Vivekananda Arts and Science College for Women, Vivekananda College of Education for Women, Krishna College of Education for Women, Krishna Sri College of Education for Women, Rabindranath Tagore College of Education for Women, Vivekananda Vidya Bhavan Metric Higher Secondary School, Visva Bharati College of Education for Women. இது வரைக்கும் சொன்ன இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தால் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. கூடவே அந்த பெல் ஐக்கானையும் கிளிக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அப்போ தான் நம்ம போடுற காலேஜ் பற்றின யூஸ்ஃபுல்லான இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் உங்களுக்கு உடனே தெரிஞ்சுக்க முடியும். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.